Hi, this is Serdar, and in today's tutorial I am going to be modeling a wooden facade in ArchiCAD. We are going to use Shell tool for this. But before we get started, I would just like to ask you to like this tutorial. It helps me a lot, and if you haven't already, I suggest you to subscribe, because I am going to make tutorials like this often. Anyway, let's get started modeling this wavy form facade. This is a basic building without any design. It's quite appropriate for this design. Let's start modeling. We are gonna use Shell tool for this wavy facade. I changed the thickness for a clear modeling, but we will change this in the next. I'm just gonna click the construction method. This will allow us to create interesting designs like this. I'm gonna click the face first. I'm gonna click this button for drawing curved shapes. After that, click the second button to continue from tangent. I'm gonna click second profile working plane after I finish first profile. This is going to create a curved shape between first and second profile. I don't need to dip inside for now. This profile will be changed. I continue the design of the facade. I make sure that the joints of the face are smooth. After that, I will lengthen the ends and cut the ends. At the same time, I bring it closer to the building so that it is not too far from the building and reduce the curves accordingly. I will cut the edges after I expand. I click the pen tool to do that, after selecting the blue line. Now, I'm just gonna right click and select Define Shell Contour. Since I have not seen the contours of the building, I draw a simple rectangle center of the shell. I'm gonna offset its edge after completed contour and match with the building. I'm gonna make openings now. Right click again and click Create Hole in Shell this time. I draw an opening and going to array along the model. Just click the opening and it will be selected. I can use basic command like copy, rotate and drag on this. I press Ctrl+U for array and click OK for first the settings. I determine the first distance by clicking and ArchiCAD will continue with that distance. It seems that first column is not equal with last. I'm just gonna click ending profile and drag it. I'm just going to make windows and doors openings with the same method. I can use reference tool for exact matching, but in this time it won't make much difference. I first create a rectangle roughly and will offset its edges after that for proper matching. Now our openings are completed. Let's look from far away to our design. I think it's too wavy. I want to reduce the curve size. I think it's okay now. Now I'm gonna close outermost edge spaces. It is the similar way like before. I'm just gonna thicken our facade and make an opening from side. I go ease elevation and click the shell and change its thickness to 200. Then right click it and click the hole. Now I can draw the shape that will be deleted. I think it's okay now. We have completed our wavy facade. I'm gonna give it a sample material and render. I press Ctrl plus T and open material overrides and select a wood material. It's not important, we will change it by render engine anyway. Here is the render I took from Vimeo. I hope you enjoyed with this tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe and like. If you have any question or suggestion, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you at the next time.